Hey guys, so I'm going to go get my check from my work, and yeah, so it should be fun. I'm gonna see all my coworkers that I miss terribly, and yeah, we're heading to school shortly after I come back, so I don't know if we're going anywhere special, but yeah. Hey guys, so I just went to my work, and oh my god, I missed them. But yeah, so I just stayed there for like a good maybe an hour, and I went and got them Dunkin' Donuts, and they were like, yeah, thank God, food. That was pretty funny. But yeah, so I miss them, and I miss working and having money. Oh, but yeah, so heading out to do grocery shopping for my mom, and then I'm off to Fitchburg. Catch you guys later in Fitchburg. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back in Fitchburg. Yeah, my mom made me dinner, my favorite meatloaf, and well, her special meatloaf. And the whole ride back to Fitchburg, I slept the whole ride back, and now I'm still kind of tired. So now I need to unpack everything, make my bed again because I brought all my linens home to clean, and yeah. And then more editing because I want to get it all done with before Monday with the Route 2 stuff. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow will be more interesting. Hope you like the puppies, or did like the puppies. Bye!